So you're a high roller with affiliate marketing, or you want to be a high roller with affiliate marketing? I've got some tools you need to know about. Check them out in this video. Now before we get started, make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. So you're into affiliate marketing, or you're thinking about getting into affiliate marketing. Maybe you don't know all the tools that you need, or maybe you're looking for more tools that will be more helpful to you. Affiliate marketing is one of the #1 ways to earn money online, but you have to know what to do to be able to get to that point. Some of the tools that you're going to need to be able to be successful are, first of all, you're going to need a website. You can't do anything really with affiliate marketing unless you've got a website. You need a place to put products, place ads, drive traffic to. Now if you don't know where to go to start looking for a website, I've got some great news for you. If you go to Hindsightscom, I've got a list of resources that will help you out. We're always adding to this list, but here's a list of website hosts that can help you out. Please take a look, see what works best for you. A lot of them have different features. I'm sure something in here will be able to work for you as far as getting set up and getting a website up and going. Also, we have articles on the different ways you can set up a website. You can even outsource setting up your website to someone on Fiverr.com to get that work done for you. Something else you need to have to be able to be successful with affiliate marketing, you need to have incentives. What do I mean by incentives? You need to have a way to direct traffic to you. So we're talking about squeeze pages, funnels, solo ads, an upsell, an initial product feature. Now if you're looking at what that could be, there's all sorts of affiliate programs you can get involved in that have those resources. Also, if you're looking at ways to engage your customers, you're going to need probably an autoresponder. Again, if you come to Hindsights.com, we've got a list of autoresponders that will help you figure out how to be engaging with your customers. Another thing you're going to really need is to be able to be popular, or at least have some sort of SEO recognition. And you can do this through social media. I mean, most of us know about social media out there, but in case you didn't know, at Hindsights.com, we have a list of social media platforms and how to get signed up and get started on those too, so you can start building those backlinks, making those connections, and growing your base. Some other things that you also have available on Hindsights.com that might really help you out. We have different organizational tools that might help with content creation and organizing yourself. If you don't know how to find graphics, if you're looking for someone to do work for you, if you're looking for video editing software, if you're looking for other resources and apps, WordPress plugins, we've got an extensive list of those. So please come check it out. It's not impossible to become successful with affiliate marketing. It just takes time and patience. And one of the most important things is having the tools you need to be successful. Now you can go and try to find all these by yourself on the net, look things up, but I've got a lot of them all in one place. But having to go and find them all on your own would be a real hassle. So I wish you luck. Appreciate you watching. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments below. But come on over to Hindsights.com. Check out what we have for articles and also resources. Take care, everybody. Was any of this information helpful? If so, let me know in the comments below. And also make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way, you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. Also, if you want to learn how to make money online legitimately, the right way and properly, visit Hindsights.com and learn step-by-step how to do that. Or click the link in the description to get started. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.